Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to view the records to the table from the database, right? So here these are the records you will be able to view from the table, right? Okay, here there will be the 10 records are there. Here I will be able to view here, right? 12 records you will be able to view from the table, right? Very simple stuff. How to do this one step by step we'll see. If you are coming for the first time, if you are not subscribed our Tutors Funny channel, please subscribe me. Let's back to our tutorial here, right? Lesson. So here, right? Now I have already created the form. Very simple code. I explain step by step, right? Instead of writing again by again, I use the editor called PyCharm, right? If you have a after that, there will be the, if you go to the new project, if you click here new project, here you will be able to create the new project. Okay, create, right? After that you will be able to create this kind of folder. Right click and you will be able to create the new file. Right click, here you have to create a file, Python file. You have to name it as something like that. That's how you have to create the file, right? After that we have to write import ticker, right? This is how we have to do the GUI application in Python as tick our ticker import ttk, right? This is how we have import the tree view, right? After that we have to import the mysql connector, right? This mysql connector, how to download that into Python, you don't have any idea about that, you don't worry about that. I already explained in my previous 2 tutorials how to insert the record and how to search the record. This is my third tutorial of the database connection. This is the how to view the records to the table, right? There are many students who ask me to view the records to the table. That's why I done this tutorial. Okay, so after that this is the root tk. Here we have to create the title, student records. This is the title, right? After this name, I have student records. The name I have here, I have put it student name. This is a label, right? After that we have to write we have to create the column names, right? This is column names, id, st name, course and fee. Here you will be able to see id, st name, course and fee. Here we have to set it as a list box here, right? This is a list box. We have to create the list box like this. After that we have to write the for loops. We have to write like this. Okay. After that we have to, at the end we have to create the close button, right? So after that first I have to call the show button. When the form is loaded, I have to call the show button, show method, right? Show method what does here is, when the form is run, all the records should be loaded and show into the form, right? So here it will be does here. First what I did here is we have to establish a database connection. This is the user credential of MySQL server. This is a database name which is SMS school, right? Here this is the, okay, inside the database we have a table called records. Okay, how to create the database and how to create the table, all the stuff. This is a very simple how to create the database and how to create the table. I already explained this stuff, right? Very simple in MySQL, right? Okay, here after that what I did is my cursor object will be load all the task, right? Okay, so this is like a prepare statement in Java, right? After that we have to write my cursor dot execute. Here we have to establish a connection. We have to write a query here. What's the query? You have to write select id is st name, course and fee from which table? Records table. We have to fetch all the records from the records table. After that we have to write the create the variable here records. This one we have to passing to here all the records we have to fetch and we are passing here, right? All the record fetching and passing to the records variable. We just print and check whether it's working for or not. Right click and run file. Here right you have printed here, right? You have to print this line. You can check here whether it's coming here. It's coming like this simple line. Okay, so these records we have to put into this tree view. Okay, this tree view we have to put it here as a tree view, right? We have to call here as tree view, not a table. This is a tree view, right? In Python, right? So here we have to write the simple for loop. For loop, you have to initialize the variable I. These are the columns available in the database, right? ID, student name, course and fee, right? In enumerate records mean this record starting start one, right? You have to loop it start one. So here list box dot insert. First we have to, and you have to put it like this. After that values, these are the values. We have to this call all the columns we have to pass into here. Okay, so what are the columns and records available here? We have to set into the relevant fields to here ID, ST name, course and fee. That's how we have to set it here. And these are the values we are setting inside into the this list box here, right? After that, then finally we have to close the connection. The very simple code we have to write over here. You don't worry about that. All the source code I will provide for free. Please visit my website, which name is Tutors Funny. I'll give the link in my video description. You will be able to go to my website and you will be able to download this course. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.